Hello guys, it's me, Lego Fanatic 12. Today I will be showing you how to build a Lego ice cream machine. That's my base. And then this is all of the Legos needed to build it. Okay. Teach you how to build something. And you will need for this one. Hang on a minute while I get out the bricks. Putting the rest of the Legos you do not need into this bag. Me and someone else made a Lego cleaning machine. I destroyed that to get the pieces. You need so here it is. How to build something Lego. Okay. So these are the parts you will need. You will need eight of these 2x2 bricks, fat or tall. Another one there. You need 8 of those. 8 of those. 3 1x4 yellow longs. 2 red 1x4 longs. 2 2x4 fins or chunkies is what the internet calls them. I don't know why. You need 2 of these, like yellow, and they're chunkies. That's what the internet calls them. I call them just bricks. 2 of the orange ones, and 2 brown longs, and then finally this yellow thing, and of course a base. Slide all the parts to the side. Start out by taking this is a Lego start out by taking your bricks and putting them next to each other like this, this, this. This, 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 this. Oh, wait. In my mind, you won't need this. You won't need the second yellow one. I'm not done yet. What it should look like so far. Then take this, put it there. This here. This here. This here. This here. This here. And this here. And that is your Lego couch. Bye.